In this video, I'll show you how to change font color in Adobe Express. First, open a project in Adobe Express. If you haven't created a text box yet, click on the Add option located on the left side of the screen, then select Add Text. A text box will appear where you can type any text you want. Once you've entered the text, adjust its position by dragging it to the desired location on your page. Once the text is positioned, click on it. This will open a menu on the left side of the screen with various editing options. Look for the Fill option, which controls the text color. Click on the Fill option and you will see a selection of default color options. If you want more color choices, click on More Colors. This will open a color palette where you can select from a wider range of colors. If you want to use a specific color, switch to the Custom tab. Here, you can manually enter the hex code or RGB values of the color you want to use. Alternatively, you can use the color picker to select a custom shade by dragging the pointer within the color selection box. After selecting the color, the text color will update instantly. You can always return to the Fill option to adjust the color if needed. Once you are satisfied with the color, your text will display the updated shade. That's how you can change the font color in Adobe Express.